All right, so we worked a little bit. We got a nice patch cut out for the back of the rocker. And the inner, whatever you fucking call that thing on the inside.
Firewall?
No, firewall's that way. Anyways, whatever. The inner door post. Anyways, so we made it all out of one piece. And then we're gonna fit the rocker over. Hopefully everything I cut wasn't for nothing. So I'm gonna buzz these in and then we'll go from there. What happened? Oh, it's so weird. The camera, I move it and then...
Enough.
Okay, so we got the rocker. So that back piece is in. It's all pretty much stitch welded. I grinded some of it. Our fit is almost there. We're basically almost there. You know, reproduction pieces need a little bit of massaging. Same with that corner. Some douchebag cut that hole open a little too much. Me, what? But otherwise, it's fitting right on, and Luke took some measurements before cutting it out, so everything seems to match up. Are you happy? Good. Tomorrow we weld it in. All right, so we've got the fit pretty decent here, except for this spot where I totally fucked up earlier. This side's looking pretty good, except right here. Try to bang on it a bit, but I think once I start stitching this up, that'll get warm enough that that'll melt right nice in the corner and line up a little bit better. But other than that, I think we're golden. You're ruining the shot, Luke.
Yeah, fuck off.
All right, so I don't know where we're at last week with filming, but this side's pretty much done. I just need to tack the back side. I'll do that when I don't feel like getting burnt, which I'll get burnt. So now we're on to this side. Luke already had cut this out a week ago, and this rocker panel is actually the backing's in really good shape. Not bad for 450,000 kilometers.
420 before the V8 conversion like 15 years ago.
That's crazy. So the truck wasn't in too bad shape. Well, yeah, so we're gonna clean this rocker up. We're gonna make her fit nice. Weld her up, send her down the road, so we can get this thing to my place, and Luke's getting all the center diff. Are you doing that today?
Yeah, that's the plan.
You're gonna set the diff up. Did you get all your brake parts?
Missing a couple.
Okay.
But I can still work with what we got.
He can still work with what we got. Okay, that's good. What the hell? Okay, it's just a hair. Just a hair. I thought my lens was cracked. Anyways, so that's planned for today. Get that going. Maybe get this thing sitting on the ground. That'd be cool. And then have the rocker done, cab corner, so we can take it to my place and start doing roll cage stuff.
Alright, so what we have here is a Dremel tool made up of, well, a sanding tool combined with a cutting disc. And yeah.
So I really needed a small tool to get in the corner and cut that real tight so that I don't like wreck the back. So Luke's like, I got this hanging around, and I'm like, okay, we'll try it. So I just wanted to I just wanted to get this on video so that if I die from projectiles, you know, that I said that you guys were awesome, and I thank you for all your patronage and hanging out for so long. We'll double protection.
Double protection.
So you guys have been super great, and this is, yeah.
It's even out of balance.
I'm so scared.
working.
And we're also sanding at the same time. All right, we've got this side fitting pretty well. The only thing that sucks is this restamp leaves a pretty big, it's not stamped flat like it should be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack this side, I'm gonna tack that side, and then we're probably gonna like heat it up, because it's a lot worse than the other side was. So we heat that up and we'll bang that in with the chisel, like I did on the other side. See the chisel, smash that in there until it straightens out. Beat it into submission. Same with the front. Front fits pretty good. Except that thing's not. But it's gonna be good. Are you happy? So here at Rivas Radical Rides, we use precise machines to do the job right. We can do a good job for you guys anytime. Just give us a call. Good system.
Is it?
Sure. All right, we got it all welded in. Just there and around, and spot welds there and around. I haven't done the back yet, nor did I do the top. There's holes underneath that are gonna land my spot welds to be in this area. So there's still that to do, but that's in there for now. I'm just gonna clean up this corner and get the cab corner on. Then I'll do the stuff underneath. All right, so I've got the other cab corner cut out, but I noticed that it's super terrible. The stamping is just bad. So I don't have like a proper hammer and dolly kit. I'm just gonna set up the hammer there and see if I can straighten it out a bit. So I'm basically gonna put this piece over top of the hammer, use the other one to try to clean it up. So let's get an image here of what this looks like. Take a good look at it. Ball peen hammer. The punch I used for some little stuff, and this mallet. That's the difference. I know it's not perfect, but it'll get us a lot closer than what it was before. So I'm just gonna leave it right here and go back and forth.